Cheers from Ed over at Antique Toys. We're going to touch on train toys and steam toys, so stay tuned for more. Let's check out some train toys. We've got a Hornby train, British design, European train, LNER 2900, and good looking lithography, kind of an unusual car right back here. Somebody maybe can give me feedback as to the purpose. I'm guessing it's cargo, but I've not seen this variation of cargo. We have cast iron. This is most likely a Hubley train. And then we have a Weeden steam engine, which is quite cool. It's got the early round valve on that Weeden, and it ends up being paired with a real nice looking man sitting down, period German guy, most likely, out of lead. And these will be coming up in our auction, which will be February 22nd. Next, we have a great looking Bing steam engine. This could easily have been when Bing was working with Corette. Corette may have done the subcontract work, but Bing marketed this. It's a steam chamber. It's got a working valve, a working basin, a working pressure vessel, and then what they call stork legs for turning the wheel. We've got English, or in this case, European style buffers right here. Clean paint. And it looks to have barely been fired because this area normally with the pinstriping burns. I think it's pretty close to dead stock with age. Since I saw some soot on it, I'm going to pretend it was fired once, but it really is in amazing condition. Next, we have a man, European man. I've seen a similar Arnold model. I've seen a similar Corette model, and I've seen a similar Bing model of this toy. It's a grinder. It's got a working flywheel. And what we're going to do is we're going to take a break and then wind it. All right, let's wind this and let it go. Once again, we have another European toy here. And we've seen similar Corette and similar Bing toys. It's going to be an earlier model with the wrinkling around the base and some of the intricate pressings, but it is a fan-powered water wheel. And so a kid could crank it and then crank it and actually fill the basin with water. Cheers from Ed over at Antique Toys. Please be sure to check out our Mars, M-A-R-Z auction on Live Auctioneers. But we will end with a beauty. And this is a Lionel standard gauge. And to understand scale, we'll put my hand in there. So the toy ends up being like a 12 to 14 inches long. And it's an absolutely gorgeous American model. Have a great day. Cheers from Ed.